Starting an online store can feel like navigating a maze, but today, we're cutting through the confusion by pitting Ecwid against Wix to help you choose the right path for your business. First, let's talk ease of use. Wix shines with its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, making it incredibly simple to design a visually appealing website. Even if you have zero coding experience, you can literally click and drag elements to build your dream store. Ecwid, on the other hand, is designed to seamlessly integrate into existing websites or social media platforms. Think of it as a powerful e-commerce add-in that can transform your current site into a fully functional online store. It's great if you already have a website and don't want to rebuild from scratch. Now, let's break down the costs. Wix offers various e-commerce plans with different features and storage capacities, so you'll need to carefully compare to find the right fit. Ecwid offers a free plan with limited features, ideal for beginners, and scalable paid plans. As your business grows, compare each plan carefully to see what's best for your bottom line. When it comes to e-commerce functionality, both platforms offer the essentials. This includes product management, shopping carts, secure payment gateways, and order tracking, but consider specific features like abandoned cart recovery, shipping options, and inventory management to see which platform aligns better with your business needs. Wix provides a more feature-rich app market, while Ecwid may require third-party plugins. Don't forget about SEO. Both Wix and Ecwid provide tools to optimize your store for search engines. Pay attention to features like customizable URLs, meta descriptions, and mobile responsiveness to improve your site's visibility. Wix is known to have better SEO management, while Ecwid may require plugins. Finally, scalability. Wix is great for small to medium-sized businesses with moderate product catalogs. Ecwid, with its flexible integration and scalable plans, can adapt to businesses of all sizes, from startups to large enterprises. Remember to consider the long-term implications of your business goals.